guys, my name is Lashara Simone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I wanted to talk to you about my purple crochet locks. I'm absolutely in love with this hair. I've always wanted purple hair and now I finally got the opportunity to have some fun with my hair for once. So these are the Bobbi Boss new locks in the color 1B/purple. They also have dark green, blue, navy blue, and a range of natural colors as well. I purchased this hair on Amazon. I did check Sam's Beauty, but they didn't have purple in stock at the time, so I got about 6 packs for $30 on Amazon. With shipping and tax, it was like $42 in case anybody's wondering. And I will leave links down below in case you want to purchase this hair for yourself. They do offer 3 different lengths, 14, 18, and 24. I have 18 inches in my hair right now, and I absolutely love this hair. So for one, it is very lightweight. It looks so natural, like especially the ends, they're all different lengths, which makes it look really realistic. And yeah, I mean, I love the way it looks. The color is obviously so fun, but I won't lie to you, I did have a hard time with this hair when I was installing it. So for one, it is very hard to find the loop on these locks, but what I did was, there's this gold twist tie that the locks are attached to. I left it on that twist tie because it's all running, the twist tie is running through the loops. And that way you don't have to find the loop, you just have to use that twist tie to like open it up, and that'll make the process a bit faster. I also tried Jazz Nicole's hugging method, and I don't know, I just had a bit of a hard time with it. It is my first time doing crochet locks. I do have another video on my channel where I have a tutorial on how to install faux locks, but it's a whole wrapping method and it's a different process. I wanted to try this out to see if it would be faster. So trying Jazz Nicole's hugging method, I think it's because I started in the back of my hair, which I always start from the back and I work my way to the front, but I really couldn't see, I couldn't tell which way to untwist it to then wrap it around the hair. I don't know. I had a difficult time. We'll see what happens next time, because I do have obviously 6 packs of this hair and I only use 3 packs. So when I install again, I'll see if I can figure it out. But what I did was I took my crochet needle and I went through the lock, which wasn't easy because these locks are not hollow. So inch by inch, I had to work my way through the lock. And of course that was time consuming. But I mean, it's fine, it's whatever. So I did install this hair like individually. I don't have any cornrows in my hair at all whatsoever. So that might also play into why it took me a while. So like I said, I used 3 packs of hair. I have 60 locks in my head right now. And there's one more thing that I want to share with you guys. So I hate to say this because I don't want to make it seem like I completely hate this hair. I love this hair, and don't get me wrong, I know it's synthetic and blah blah blah. Like, I'm not expecting this hair to be absolutely perfect, but I'm just sharing with you all of the details so you're not in the dark about things. But my braids are starting to separate from the lock. There's another one. Here it is. You see that? It's completely outside of the lock. So I'm just letting you know all of the details. It has been exactly 2 weeks to this day that I've had this hair installed, but my braids started separating within the first week, and I was protecting my hair when I went to sleep, but it is what it is. Just giving you guys the facts. Again, I would recommend this hair and I would purchase this again myself. And I think I covered everything. So if you guys have any questions, please leave a comment down below. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, turn on your notifications, and I hope to see you again next time. Bye.